Welcome to Planespotting Memories of December 30, 2022. We're a roving reporter that this is going to happen officially. Now, we just have a lot going on. I'm just here at we can do this. We can continue. VO plane. This is going to be an exciting Planespotting Memories of 30th December 2022. We're just immortaling this New Year's special. It is going to be 1st January on Sunday, and I hope you'll wish you a happy new year. It has been great this year. It has been an exciting year this year of Planespotting highlights. How very exciting. Very exciting. They were epic scenes of Planespotting and train travel series. I mean, we're just here goes A330. Here comes an airplane. There goes Qantas. The bonus. Well, here we come for another speculation of Planespotting. We are just head to head out in the series. It's been an epic year, and I wish you guys a happy new year, and I wish to have a great new year in 2023. Hopefully we get a good year and lots of subscribers, because we're roading there and we all want to subscribe. We all want to subscribe to other people's channel, and I'll be uploading aviation unboxing very soon. I'll post unboxing videos on my other channel, Aviation 11 Unboxing. Aviation 11 Plane Unboxing, I think it's called. And hope you guys subscribe to it if you can find it, because it may get confusing at this footage. There goes the Link Airways now. Well, this plane, we don't know, is gonna come. This YouTube live stream, this YouTube is going very well, and I hope to have good year in 2023. Hopefully we have another good year. Here, Qantas and this year had kind of good times. What is it? Now there's an obsession. We're in between this plane Here we go, guys. Here comes a big plane. We don't know what it is. It is mystery. Guess the plane. Guess the plane in the next 3 seconds. The answer was Qantas. If you got that right, subscribe if you got it right. This is so good. This Qantas plane is going. Yeah, I'm posting this on YouTube. Well, here goes Qantas 737 at this moment. Exciting years. Now here goes an AirAsia. I can see it realistic. That is AirAsia. Here we have Airbus A330. It's so good. Like, it's official in the opinion. The airline might come soon. Sooner enough. Here there are beautiful oceans, beautiful beaches, but they're a bit dirty. Rivers, oceans, sorry. It seemed like I don't know, like maybe they have a hold of it. Crazy careers. It's why? We are just going to see if this plane this Qantas plane yeah. I'll move here. I'll move here. I'll move here, I said. I don't want anyone seeing our flights because I cut out the scene. We saw what we can see. We saw this plane is getting very epic. We need to conspiracy. Here, I'm sorry you guys. I paused. We're just staying tuned for this fun. We don't want the fun to lose it. I cut out the scene. I cut the scene out because it looked too dangerous. And it's restricted. So I'm sorry that I cut out the scene because it's too dangerous to see fighting and yelling. Well, here is a 787 that is departing. I got something as planned, so stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned. We saw a scene. Well, this special A320 had came into land. Oh! There's Malaysia. There's Malaysia Airlines Airbus A330, which is also going to take off. You won't even notice anything. So I'm away from this day. Vietnam had just landed on a different runway, just fully out, animated. The airplane, which I've gotten that, I cut out yelling scenes and fighting scenes because it looks dangerous. And it's severe and alert. So I don't want anyone to unsubscribe. People who subscribe are my favourite fans. Are safe. People who subscribe, they are safe. People who don't subscribe, they will not be safe. So it's better if you subscribe, because this video, I wanted to get up to 600 subs, and we need to Godspeed to 600 subscribers, because it's very confessing nowadays and it's good. This year I got over 500 subscribers, so hopefully next year we'll get up to 600. Hopefully in New Year's we get up to 600, because it is a good cause. These days are super supportive. This Qantas plane. Here we have a big takeoff. A speculation from the recording. Here comes Vietnam. Supportive, no matter what Vietnam does. It's just Vietnam had did a perfect landing, butted the landing. That's good. Well, here we've got regressions. Regretting this clip. This is ultimate Malaysia. Oh no, what's happening to Vietnam? Why is it getting too close? It almost went in the ocean. What's Vietnam doing? I wonder. I wonder if Malaysia's gonna take off yet. Yeah, Vietnam. Here we go. There's Vietnam. What a beautiful plane this is. Always be safe online. There's Vietnam. That's a good plane. That's one of the good planes. We're distressing too much, but we're not for long. There's JQ, Jetstar, Airbus A321. Here goes the special A320. Sorry I cut that scene again. I just wanted you guys to stay tuned until the end. That was clicked by accident. Well, all I need to say is that is the best quality. Oh no. Here goes Fiji, making it easier. Pick. This is Fiji Airways. Here goes Fiji. I'll see you for clip 2. Bye bye now.